Well, look at what we got here. Cows and a donkey. And piggy wiggies. The pigs are harder to see because they're darker in color. Well, they're dark too, like the cows, but they're not as tall as the cows. I know I'm getting a lot of videos of the same animals, but just want you guys to be able to see the animals. Winter where so many people are that there aren't too many animals out. That's the back end of the donkey. Oh, there she's turning around. You see the white on her mouth area. Pig's ear is moving. Hello there, cows. Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? Hi. Good morning. Anybody gonna say moo? Only one of you looking at me. That's not polite. Does anybody have any suggestions on names for the cows? The one laying down facing us is Bullseye with the white face. Then the one in the middle, the brown one, I named Brown Sugar. And I know what to name the black one, which does have some white in her. And that white one with the little bit of black that's facing us. Maybe the all black one, or well, predominantly black one with the white face also. Maybe we could name Midnight, I don't know. Any suggestions on names? But the black one to the right laying down, that's Bullseye. Any idea for the donkey and the pigs? There's 3 pigs, one of which is somewhat a baby. Yeah, there's 3 in there. Let's spend a minute on the pigs. And we got the donkey in the scene as well. And we're gonna finish up on the cows. Oh no, it's not Bullseye, that one laying down on the right. That black and white one, I thought that was Bullseye. That's not Bullseye. Just gotta go look at it. And that's the other black and white one. As you can see, she's partially sticking out on the tree. Yeah, oh, I thought that was Bullseye. It's not. So we need names for these 4, plus the donkey and the 3 pigs. Oh, heck, we got the 3 little pigs. So, the one that's getting up, that's the one I thought was Bullseye. It's not. Bullseye's face is just white. Sounds like a crow crowing. May not be, but it's what it sounds like to me. Trying to see where the bird sound is coming from. Oh, one of the cows walked over there. Guess they don't want our company anymore. Well, have a great day, everybody. Bye.